Good evening traders. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Traders, what happened to Nifty today? Are the bulls are back with a vengeance with a bang bang? And from yesterday, the bulls are kept on taking the price towards upward direction with 45 degrees angle, right? Yeah. And what about the bears? The bears are still thinking that let the bulls relax and then we will try to show a strength and take the price towards 24,800 and 24,700. Are still the bears are in a dream that they can still able to crush the bulls once they meet them at the higher levels, right? Let's see who is going to win the battle tomorrow. Or the bulls are going to win, or the bears, or the bulls and bears will be compromised each other and the price will stay in the zone and they will eat entire premium of retail traders, right? We don't know. So let's do some analysis. Okay, while looking at the price action today and the opening points of Nifty today, I remembered my own video, okay, that I have made how to trade when there is a huge gap down and gap up opening in Nifty. So traders, you can watch that video. It is in my playlist, so that you can get an idea when there is a huge gap up and gap down in Nifty how to trade. Okay, in that video I have told you please allow 1 hour time to settle down the bears and the bulls, let them fight each other, and then we will try to identify the price action what is happening in Nifty, and then we will place the positions, right? So if you look at till 10:30 till this point, okay, if you look at till this point, all the price action was over and slowly bulls have taken the command and they started moving a upward direction, correct? This is one of the my favorite candle. Whenever it is created in the bottom of the price action, I always place my positions towards upward direction with the SL of this low. Okay, you can give it a try, but it is only for paper trade, not for in the real money trades. Okay, and now if you look at the price action of Nifty, it clearly indicates the bulls are in a upper hand, right? So now when this price action was happening, I was thinking that 25,100 can act as a good resistance for Nifty, and from there I expected that it will come back towards 24,975 or 25,000, but nothing has happened. Now we have identified this high and we are identified the low, and this level will be a crucial level for Nifty, okay, because this is the opening point and again the closing point is also at the same place. Okay, now we look at the US market. What is happening in the US market? We have seen that around 120 to 130 points negative, in the sense there is some variations in the US market. So with this scenario, can we be biased that the Nifty there will be a gap down opening? No, we can't predict because still there is a time our Indian markets to open. So we will do analysis on three scenarios and identify how the movement can happen in Nifty. The first thing is I'm going to discuss about the gap up opening. Gap up opening. Okay. So for example, the price Nifty has closed around 25,052. What if there is a gap up of around 100 points like this? If the price is open here and start moving towards the upward direction, I will not be interested to take any positions towards the upward direction. Okay, all that is I will wait for a retracement. Let the price move towards upward direction and come back to these levels, and again it is sustaining this level here, then I will try to take some positions towards the upward direction. This one scenario, right? And what if the price opens gap up and start coming towards the downward direction? Okay, if it is coming back, I will wait to the closing price of 25,052 and try to see if the price is sustaining here and then it is trying to move upward direction. I will place the SL here. I will try to take the some upward direction positions to the target of 25,140 as a first, and then 25,150 or 25,200 as my final target. In case if the price opens gap up and continues to fall, okay, I will wait till this level. If level is taken out, okay, I will place my SL somewhere here 25,400, 25,040 or 25,050. I will try to take one downward direction position to the target of 24,930 or 24,890 or 24,900. Okay, this is one scenario. And now, what if there is a gap down opening? If there is a gap, for example, let us assume the gap down opening is towards the downward direction at 103. Okay, if the price opens here and start moving towards the upward direction, I will be interested to make the positions towards the upward. Again, my target will be 25,130. In case if the price is creating a downward direction and then it takes supports anywhere here 24,800. Okay, because we had a very good support here 24,830, right? From here if it is reversing it, then I will try to take a upward direction position towards the target of 25,000 or 25,050. Okay, to this closing price. Afterwards, I will leave it whether let it go to the upward direction or the downward direction. I'm not worried about it. Okay. And next, what if there is a flat opening? What if there is a flat opening? It opens near 17 points to the downward direction. So I all look at is what is the price action that is going to be created. Whether it is going to come towards the direction like this and take support anywhere here. I will be interested to take the calls towards the upward direction. In case if it continues to fall like this, after reaching this level, I will be interested to take the positions to the target of 24,800 or 24,825. Okay, because if you look at the previous price actions of Nifty, whenever there is a huge selling, okay, in a daily time frame, there is no follow up at all. Okay, there is no follow up. If it is a red color candle, and this should be a red color candle as per the price action, but this is not happening from the last 6 to 7 months. Whenever there is a huge sell off like this, okay, there is a quick reversal from the bulls. They are able to, if there is a bearishness in the market, the bulls are coming back and taking out entire the bearishness in the market, and they are going to take towards upward direction. This is what is happening in the last 6 to 7 months in our Indian markets. So with this, what we are going to understand is the Indian market is strong, okay, and there is a bull rally that is happening in Indian markets. So until you see there is a follow up bearishness in Nifty, okay, don't try to take your bearish positions. Whereas I am little bit biased towards the bullish side, because the example I have given you here. Okay, we are not getting a sufficient follow-up from the bears. Once the selling is over, the bulls are coming back with a good strength and taking the price towards the upward direction. Okay, this is how it is. And now, what if there is a flat opening towards the upward direction? If it's a flat opening towards the upward direction, I will be interested to trade for the upward direction with a price action. If it stays here in this zone again, then I will assume that the price is going to stay in this zone for the day. That's all, traders. Please remember the important points and the prediction what we have done in this video. That may help you in your trading time tomorrow. And happy trading. Good night.